welcome to another video. So in today's video I am going to tell you about how to install or uninstall any packages from Ubuntu software tools, from any website, or from any open source software provider. So there is main three ways to install any kind of software in this Linux distribution. Now first of all, we are going to go through an easiest way, that is Ubuntu software. You can find out any software like just VLC. uh, you can find out any software which are officially for Linux with this version. So and after that hit install, it will automatically install. After doing this, it will just say complete the installation, or it will give an error like sudo snap installing error though. So don't worry about it. If your internet connection speed is very good, then after some time it will automatically install in your PC. It will show error just okay. Then if you want to confirm that error, then press enter control and T, which will open the terminal, and just write snap changes. Okay, it will show the information about which snap is installing and which snap is status of that snap. So I installed the scrappy application earlier today, so it status of that application is done. But while running while running the installation process, it will show the running or show the stop. So don't worry about that, it will automatically done. Next one is installing via sudo apt-get install, and write down the any software name. You must have to know the software name perfectly. So I know a software name like Nate Tools. Okay, enter, and 72 oops. Okay, so I already installed this. If you do not install that tool, then it automatically installed. Okay, after that, if you want to do this through any other website, and in this I am also providing you the tutorial of how to install AnyDisk in our PC. So go to Google and search for AnyDisk. Then first, this site will automatically choose which version of Windows you are using. So from this all, we have to choose which Linux distribution we are using. Then hit the download now button. I already downloaded it. Okay, so just after, let me go to inside the folder. Okay, in the download folder, AnyDisk, we just have to hit enter. Because of it is Linux distribution, it will automatically redirect you to Ubuntu software. And after installing this in Ubuntu software, if that software which you are searching previously is not available, will directly available with its review and version size, also version number, and also downloading size. Also it will show the which provider it will providing you software, and on the basis of which license. So you just have to hit install and wait for some time, depend on your downloading speed. So this is the basic three ways to install the any software in the Windows in the Linux. So stay tuned to the Vortex Software, and hope you like this video series in Linux distribution. Thank you very much.